Hello student, today we will solve our next question 8 to 12. First I am reading the question number 8. Reduce each of the following fraction to the lowest term. Then question number first is this 306 divided by 414. We will find the lowest term by this manner. First we will write 306 divided by 414 and find out the fraction of 306. 306 divided by 3 divided by 2, then we are getting 153, and 153 divided by 3, then we will got 51, and 51 we will divide by 3, then we will got 17. By the same manner we will find out the fraction of 414. 414 divided by 2, then we are getting 207, and 207 divided by 3, then 69, and 69 divided by 3, then we are getting 23, and 23 to 23 one time only. We will write this fraction like that. Fraction of 306 we will write like that, 2 into 3 into 3 into 17, and fraction of 414 will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 23. Then common numbers we can cut, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 3 to 3. Then we will got, then lowest term will be 17 by 23. By the same manner we will start our next question number 4. 350 divided by 518. 350's fraction will be like that. First we will divide 350 by 2, then we will got 175. 17 divided by 5, then 35. 35 divided by 5, then we are getting 7, and 7 by 7 only one time. Now find out the fraction of 518. 518 divided by 2, then we are getting 259, and 259 divided by 7, we are getting 37, and 37's fraction will be 37 into 1 only. Now these fraction we will write like that, 2 into 5 into 5 into 7, and 518's fraction 2 into 7 into 37. This common number we will cut, 2 to 2 and 7 to 7. Upper side we are getting 25 and lower side 37. Then these answer will be like that, 25 by 37. Now next question is 11. First we will read that question number 11. Question number 11. Find the greatest weight that can be used. A number of time of weight 156, 180 and 324 of wheat. In this question we should find out our SCF. Now let us see that answer. 156, 180, 324. Then first we will take the lowest number and highest number. Highest number will divide by lowest number, and lowest number is 156. 324 2 ja 324 divide by 156, and 156 2 ja 312. Remainder we are getting 12. Then by the remainder we will divide that number 156. 12 1 ja 12. Then remainder we are getting 15 minus 12 3. Next number is 6. Next number we will copy here, and 12 3 ja 36. Then it can cut full time. Then 12 is the main answer. Now by the help of 12 we will divide that number 180. 180 divided by 12. Then 12 1 ja 12. Remaining we are getting 6. Next number is 0. Then 12 5 ja 60. Then 12 is the SCF number. Then the measurement purpose 12 will be the SCF. Now question number 12. In a school library there are 780 books of English, 360 books of Hindi and 64 books of mathematics. The librarian wants to arrange these books across the maximum number of shelves such that each shelf has the same number of books of each subject. Find the number of shelves that can be used. What would be the number of these books in each shelf? Okay, first we will find the SCF. For 12th question, first we will find out the SCF. For SCF purpose, first we will take the highest number and lowest number. Highest number is 780 and lowest number is 364. Highest number divide by lowest number. 364 divide 780 divided by 364 2 time. Then remainder we are getting 52. then 364 divided by 52, then 52 to 364 7 time. Then next number is 624. It can also divide by 52. 52 1 ja 52, reminder we are getting 10, and next number is 4. We will write 4 here. Then 52 2 ja 104. Okay, now mean SCF will be 52. Now number of books and number of cell we have to find out. Now total books are 780, 364 and 64. Total books will be 7868. Now it is given 52 shelf are required. 52 shelf are required. The number of books will be in a shelf 1768 divided by 52. Then we are getting 34. And 34 and 52 will be the our answer. Now complete this exercise. Mostly questions are solved, and remaining question you have to solve yourself.